.anv. I know you heard about Touch Grass, the viral app hyped on X and Reddit, but it sucks. There is no impact beside just pushing you to touch some grass, to unlock the apps and continue doom scrolling. Weird. Screen addiction will eat you up. What if we a little bit redesign the app? Let me introduce .anv, an app to gamify eco-friendly activities, incorporating user verification and community engagement. The key features challenges related to planting, watering, and waste separation. How does it work? Pretty much simple. Open the app, put some socials like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit into block list. If you want to open any of the apps you need to accomplish a specific task, you basically turn on the webcam and record it. Take some garbage and put into trash bin, and the proper trash bin. It's a paper, just put in a paper trash bin, or it's a kind of plastic, just put into plastic. That's it. You will be able to use the Instagram for 15 minutes. For higher time usage, you should do something a little challenging. Watering the flowers, plants inside your home, or just go outside and water some trees or flowers. Planting the flowers and trees outside, inside your home, doesn't matter. It seems a bit complicated, but it makes sense. Different philosophy, pretty much benefits, and not only for you, but people around you. Now, you are not just touching some shitty grass, however, connecting with your living environment. .anv currently available for Android devices only. The source code is fully open source on GitHub. The UI UX pretty much easy to understand what and how. There is also a separate screen for analytics. You will be able to see the real impact in real time, from how much you waste for doom scrolling to how many trees you have planted. I used YOLO weight model from Ultralytics for vision detection. I pre-trained it, made a basic API using Fast API and WebSockets for real-time feedback. To build the app, I used Flutter, cross-platform and super cool framework. For testing purposes only, I just made a website in pure HTML to see how YOLO weight behaves. Here's an example of me trying with planting flowers. Pretty much cool, yeah.